दुसरो मोत important issue म्हणटाय ते the selection of the state information commissioner. Now when this selection happened, I being part as leader of opposition was part of this committee headed by the chief minister and a minister Subhash Shirodkar. At that time there were 30 names that were proposed, out of which the name of Atmaram Barve was proposed by the Honorable Chief Minister, to which at that time I objected, saying that this is Atmaram Barve belongs, is your OSD. The neutrality itself will be challenged. After the neutrality, Aaj the State Information Commissioner, people will start losing their trust. He being affiliated to a political party, as shown by their party president, Sadanand Tanawade himself has shown. He congratulated him on Facebook. And these type of violations are happening. It will come. They have overruled me. I being just one member, they have been two. They have recommended his name. It will come for the signing of the Honorable Governor. And I have said, and legally also, Dr. Kalus has also briefed, how can a person connected to a political party be the State Information Commissioner? State Info, जो post हा, हो पोस्ट म्हाका दिसता आज ह्या सरकाराक लोकांक फेस करपाचें ना. फक्त हे they'll be taking, people will have to go to the court. In spite of objections, this government is not serious. फक्त wholesale loot of Goa chalल्या.
As far as the second part is concerned, the Information Commissioner, State Information Commissioner, we pointed out to the Honorable Governor relating to the legality of the appointment. Our leader of opposition also pointed out that he had objected to that, and when any person is connected to a political party, that is a disqualification. Remember one thing, it is understood is different from statutory disqualification provided. It is statutorily provided that a person should not be connected with a political party.
Second, State Information Commissioner. आमकां सगळ्यांक आतां स्पश्ट जाल्लें आसा, वो सरकार करप्शनान बुडला. सो कोणूय सिटीजन और आम सादारण गोंयकार जेन्ना RTI फायल करतलो टू कॅच द करप्शन, वो पळय चीफ मिनिस्टराचो मनीस पळय बसला, ही वील टर्न डावन. आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळच्यान असल्या मनशाक एज स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर म्हूण अपॉयंट केल्यार गोंयांक बरें, आम सादारण गोंयकाराक बरें, हें लोकांनी डिसायड करपाचें. सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, ही इज द मॅन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. सो ह्या सरकाराक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक तो केन्नाच इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवचो ना. इट वील नॉट बी स्टेट इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर, स्टेट नो इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनर आसतलो.
अरे तो जर हे सांगता मंत्री जावन ताका सांग रिजायन जा, भायर यो, MLA राव, RTI घाल.
आणि RTI करपाक इन्फॉर्मेशन कोण दितलो आनी घात
तो डिनाय करतलो मरे आत्माराम बर्वे.
तें जालें ना तें.
Legal battle. What is the legal battle about that Atmaram Barve case? Disqualification.
We have grounds to challenge if his appointment is made.
Okay.
So, if at all the appointment is made, definitely we will have to move forward to the court.
Disqualification.
No, for quashing his appointment.
Dismissal.
Question of
It will
disqualification.
be a bigger shame for the government.
Of elected member. This is a appointment.
Appointment.
It will have to be quashed.
Thank you.